रेडियो पानीपुरी। अभी हम आज रेडियो पानीपुरी की टीम है, होली मना रहे हैं आज अप्रैल 9 को। और आप सोच रहे हैं होली अप्रैल 9 को? जी हाँ, वर्नन हिल्स इंडियन एसोसिएशन हमारे साथ है, हमारे बोर्ड मेंबर्स, और वो स्वागत करते हैं आपका, हम सबका। वेलकम। आज का दिन बहुत ही अच्छा है। ऋत्विक जी, कुछ बताइए हमारे लिसनर्स को जो कि शायद मिस कर रहे हैं ये सब।
इससे ज़्यादा और अच्छी होली इस वेदर में शिकागो में कभी नहीं हो सकती। तो जो नहीं आए तो रेडियो पानीपुरी के द्वारा लुत्फ उठाइए, जो आए हैं वेलकम एंड एंजॉय द कलर विद अस।
और बताइए इस होली में क्या क्या हो रहा है?
सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपनिंग अराउंड हियर। अगर आप पीछे देख रहे हो, हमारे यहाँ 3 रेस्टोरेंट्स आए हैं, मुंबई कैफे, स्पाइसी बाइट्स, प्रिया। सो डिलिशियस फूड अवेलेबल हियर। वी गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ रैफल्स गोइंग ऑन। सो यहाँ पे and it's all for a good cause, Libertyville Food Pantry को if you make a donation, so people are entitled to a raffle for massage. यहाँ पे airline vouchers मिल रहे हैं, यहाँ पे export fitness है, so सारा I mean there's a big mishmash of events, lot of excitement. और पीछे देखो तो होली धमाल है, as usual colors है, colors में मजा आता है। होली we love playing outside, so उसी में मजा है। ये weather में so many people have come out to support us. It's amazing feeling. It's an amazing feeling.
लगता है आज ये आप इवेंट मिस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वर्नन हिल्स इंडियन एसोसिएशन फिर से आएगी एक नए इवेंट को लेकर, इसलिए देखते रहिए और सुनते रहिए रेडियो पानीपुरी और हमारा वर्नन हिल्स इंडियन एसोसिएशन के एक्टिविटीज भी। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thanks a lot.
Go. Radio Panipuri listeners and all the Vernon Hills community, are you missing something? Probably you are, because today here we are celebrating Holi with all the community person who makes a difference. Here we have Mr. Bob Dole. Bob Dole, do you want to talk to us, to our folks, to the community about what the event is, what is it about, and why we are all here?
Well, we're delighted to be here today with not only the Indian community, but other people throughout the community that are here to help celebrate Holi. And they're really having a great time. So this is a new organization that helped put this together to be a voice for the Indian community. We're delighted to be able to be here and support the community. We look forward for you guys. If you can see it, come out and make sure that you're engaged next time.
And we also have the mayor for Vernon Hills, sir.
Yes.
So what do our listeners to know about you, about what the community does?
This is great. Another, group. Obviously, the Indian population in town. It's great you're coming out and using the public facilities. This is the park districts, but obviously the whole town is for everybody's enjoyment. And this seems like you're having a great day today. So thanks for inviting me.
And our listeners, the community is here, but it's meant for all of the Chicagoland area. Join the community, be part of it, because this only happens once a year. And remember, Vernon Hills Association is your association. Be part of it and enjoy the day. Thank you so much.
Happy Holi!
Happy Holi!
I just need to get my list right here. United States Representative for the Illinois 10th Congressional District, our Congressman Bob Dole.
Well, thank you so much. It is great to be out here today, and it's great to be out here with so many of our neighbors. And so I want to thank, obviously, the organizers for putting this on. Obviously, the Vernon Hills Indian Association is new, and so to see this type of excitement so quickly is fantastic. And really, what this is going to boil down to is it's going to be about your engagement going forward. We're delighted to be out here to help celebrate the Holi Festival, the Festival of Colors. And so as we go back and have some of the great food, I also want to make sure we thank some of the vendors that came out today. Again, that makes this community, and obviously we're going to hear from a few other folks. But I want to let you know what an honor it is for me to be able to be the voice of the Indian community in the United States Congress. And so I will continue to be able to fight. We're obviously working with local leaders. We want to hear from you. So thank you again for coming out today. Stay engaged in the community. obviously be part of the association. And the more people we get to be part of the association, the stronger your voice is going to be. So thank you so much.
And gold. Next, we have, I'd like to invite Lake County Board Chairman, District 18, Aaron Lawler, to come onto the stage and say a few words.
Good afternoon. It's an honor to be here. I actually live kind of right over there. I could probably walk home if I didn't have so much to carry. But I am so proud to live in Vernon Hills, and I'm proud to live here because it's a great community with a diverse population, and I think that's so valuable to our community. But it's only as valuable as we appreciate it, and so we have to do things like this to celebrate the diverse community in Vernon Hills. I think it's wonderful that the Vernon Hills Indian Association was founded just a number of months ago, had an amazing Diwali celebration, which I was honored to be at, and I look forward to partnering with you as your neighbor now and in the future. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful celebration.
004.
आज वर्नन हिल्स मना रही है होली और हमारे साथ है ये 2 साल की बेबी। ओह माय गॉड। जी हाँ, ये है 2 साल की अयाना जो अपने दादा दादी के साथ आई है वर्नन हिल्स एसोसिएशन की होली मनाने, और इनको हम छोटा सा टीका भी लगा देते हैं, हैप्पी होली। बात करते हैं इनके दादा दादी से। आप लोग इतनी ठंड में आए हैं, आपको मजा आ रहा है यहाँ? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। अपन देश से दूर आए हैं।
Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
क्या बात है। और आपको हमारी तरफ से हैप्पी होली।
3016.
आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं इतने सारे स्टॉल की होली है तो ठंड में तो होगी ही। We'll talk to you. Are you enjoying Vernon Hills Association Holi?
It's something out of where we are coming from. We are coming from Michigan.
Oh.
So something interesting. So we are enjoying till now.
Phone number 708-420.
All in the holy attire.
420-5493.
More of the
And
holy
ticket
colors.
number
I'm looking forward to enjoy the holy colors.
593016.
Awesome, and we are putting some holy colors on you. Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
We'll just get the
We are
next
here
program
at Vernon
started.
Hills and we are enjoying
Please,
holy event here.
Enjoy the
How much are you
delicious
enjoying
food that their
it?
local restaurants are serving up, and make sure you check out the local businesses. We'll just get started in a few
Yeah,
minutes. Thank you.
we really enjoy a lot here. And this is the first time here in Chicago we are here.
Oh.
So it's really, we are enjoying. We were before in some other state, but we really enjoy here.
Happy Holi to you. And how about
Happy
the
Holi.
Thank you. How about the kids? Are they enjoying it?
Yeah, I saw them. One of my friends messaged me, text me, and gave me the address. So we, finally.
Now go ahead.
Holi hai!
पे होली के इवेंट में सिर्फ रंग ही नहीं है बल्कि रंग कपड़ों में भी है, और यहाँ पे वेंडर है। आपका नाम जानना चाहेंगे? रामया, किस तरह का स्टॉल है आपका, इसके बारे में कुछ बताएं।
Yeah, my stall name is Loka Couture. It's we sell kurtis, kids lehengas, sarees,
Wow.
and dresses. Okay. So these are all like designer wear. The sarees and lehengas are designer wear.
तो आप देखेंगे दोस्तों, यहाँ पर जैसे कि वर्णिका, आरजे वर्णिका ने कहा, रंगों की भरमार है। सिर्फ रंग ही नहीं, ये कपड़ों में भी रंगत दिख रही है। होली में आपको सिर्फ कपड़े ही नहीं बल्कि हम मेहंदी यानी हिना की भी भरमार है, और यहाँ पे एक्सपर्ट्स बैठे हैं जो आपके हाथों में खूबसूरत हिना लगा सकते हैं। So how is the response? How is the response you're getting here? It's good?
Yeah, the response is really great.
Yeah, and are you enjoying the Chicago Holi in the so much cold?
Yes.
Yeah, you are.
cold and we're still enjoying this event.
Awesome. Great designs you can see. First of all, and I would like to ask about your stall here, STEM Montessori Academy. Tell us something about it.
We have a preschool and we are serving preschool, pre-K and kindergarten, and we can take ages 3 to 12 years old. And we have before and after school program, and we are really running a really good summer program.
Awesome.
Really good summer program.
And are you enjoying the cold Holi event here?
I love it. I love it.
Let's say Happy Holi to the listeners. Happy Holi!
Thank you.
Once again, Happy Holi.
एसोसिएशन होली इवेंट में मस्त खाने पीने के स्टॉल है और काफी भीड़ लगी हुई है। आइए जानते हैं यहाँ लोग जो वेट कर रहे हैं। आप क्या ऑर्डर कर रही है यहाँ से?
समोसे।
समोसे। तो होली के गर्मा गर्म इवेंट में गर्मा गर्म समोसे खाने का मजा ही कुछ और है, राइट?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
और इस ठंड में स्पेशली आप क्या खाना चाह रही हैं? What are you ordering?
समोसे।
समोसे। समोसे is our hot favorite. Right? Let's go ahead and let's ask people what are they eating. हाँ जी, आप क्या ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं यहाँ से?
हम पाव भाजी।
पाव भाजी। तो ठंड में गर्मा गर्म पाव भाजी खाई जाएगी। Let's see, गर्मा गर्म पाव भाजी बन रही है। जी, can we have happy Holi? यहाँ देख सकते हैं आप गर्मा गर्म पाव भाजी है मुंबई कैफे के स्टॉल पे और लोग वेट कर रहे हैं। बहुत सारी चटनी है। वाओ, माउथ वाटरिंग। Hi, what's your name?
Ariella.
Ariella, what are you eating here?
This is a pakora. I forgot what this is called.
Okay.
And that's a banana pepper.
Are you enjoying the hot food here?
Oh, I love it.
You love spicy?
I love Indian food.
Oh, and this is a holy event. Are you enjoying colors as well?
Yeah, it's so fun.
Awesome. Let's play a little Holi with you.
Okay.
I'll just put a little color on it.
Okay.
Happy Holi. This is the way Indians play colors. Happy Holi.
Thank
you say Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
ये मैंने तो आपको Happy Holi रेडियो पानीपुरी की तरफ से Happy Holi. So tell me, what are you gonna?
Yeah, well, we missed it last week, you know. So
Happy Holi, MK International.
Yeah, Happy Holi. Here at Vernon Hills Association, this is our DJ. Woo! So are you playing Bollywood music?
Of course. Come on, listen.
Yeah. Which is your favorite number?
This one right now.
Every little